We're talking about a tractor-trailer crash in this edition of The Law and You. Back with us tonight, attorneys Corey Suda, who's here for Greg, and Ed Ciarimboli. Thanks for being here, guys.
We know tractor-trailer crashes, so let's get to it right away.
Yeah, it's your thing. We'll take a look at the picture first, and we see a pretty bad situation. It looks like the whole front end of the car collapsed. All right, so there is the photo of the accident scene. Here is the question in. Mike in Mountaintop says, I was involved in a crash where we ran into the back of a tractor trailer at night. We didn't see it until it was too late. Is there anything that we can do? So Mike's saying they hit the truck, but could the truck be at fault here?
You know, this is not all that uncommon because, you know, there's some human factors that are at play here, and there's a word called conspicuity. And what conspicuity means is that it's the reflectiveness on the back of the tractor trailer. So that tape, if that tape isn't functioning properly, then you very well this can happen, and it does happen quite a bit. Now it's the problem is with the tractor trailer, either they're not maintaining it appropriately, the signage isn't appropriate, the lights aren't working correctly. So yes, you potentially have a case there, but I'm going to let Corey tell you what you're going to need to do immediately in order to move forward on this particular type of case. Otherwise, you won't be able to.
Well, the most important part is for us to get the information. Obviously, once you make sure you're okay, but you got to give us the information on the tractor trailer so we could go out and inspect it. We need to get an expert out there to inspect it to make sure the reflectors are functioning properly, the lights are functioning properly, because if not, that just helps your case even more.
Yeah, and if you don't get that inspection is so critical in those those first few days. And look, we know that the last thing you want to do is talk to a lawyer whenever something like this happens, but do yourself, protect your rights. Pick up the phone, give us a call to get out there to document all the evidence, because if you don't, you can end up putting yourself in a bad situation and not being able to pursue the case.
All right, and for assistance with a tractor-trailer crash, you can give the guys a call or check them out online. And don't forget, results matter. Attorneys Corey Suda and Ed Ciarimboli. We'll see you next time, guys.
Thanks, Dave.
PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are there for you.